What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the brand new Adplexity Push, a free while in beta push spy tool which everybody should use, because from obviously the creators of the Adplexity series, spy tool for mobile, native, etc., it is quite interesting. So I'm logged in, you can sign up for free. Very interesting looking how it looks compared to other push traffic spy tools. It just looks really good, which I expected it to look like. But this is my first login, so I don't know what to exactly look at. Let's just go over it and see if it can actually help you to make better profitable push campaigns. So here we see at the right top of the screen, filter by keyword, by advertise by publisher, favorites and tutorial. You can find newest, running longest, receive the most traffic, interesting. Translate, add descriptions into English, no need for that. Would that change anything here? All right, so if you hover over it, it will translate anyway. All right, I see, interesting. Let's just not do that for now. Keyword on the landing page, in-add info. Then you can search for a specific keyword. On the lander is obviously most interesting because the push traffic has a limited amount in the headline and in the sub-headline, in the copy itself. So saved searches, select one of the previous saved. We haven't saved anything. The filter, the days running, 1 to unlimited, device types. So Android phone 33,000, Windows 32,000. A lot of ads, that's for sure. Per country, so Russia, Czech, Spain, UK, US, interesting. And you can see what are the most interesting countries, even in like these kinds of countries, all the way down to tier 3, there's activity. So propeller ads, delivering the most amount of ads, Adstera, MJIT. So from here, it's very interesting because I always get inspiration to look for new traffic sources because of this. So through this, you can just browse around to see if these sources are interesting for you to expand. Affiliate network, click dealer, from which I know Max Bounty, ClickBank, top offers at Feedy, Fluent. So Fluent would be the sweeps, because I work with them too. GiddyUp, Combo, CPA grip, interesting, and a lot of unknown. And the tracking tools, Bynum, EdgeBridge, BMO, Thrive, Volume. All right. So let's have a look-see and how this works. So what I want to see, well, let's just go through it. So we see a lot of different ones here. These are in Japanese or Chinese, whatever this is. This is also Asian. Kate sends you pictures, adult. This is sweepstake maybe. Postnote, 1 packet. Is like somewhere in Scandinavia. Watch video. What does this say? Pain in your joints. Okay, this is pretty cool that it like translates. You can favorite it and export, so you can use the creative yourself. Doctors hide the truth. The translation is really nice. Healing the joints. So you can already what it's saying with the greatest of natural fat measures developed. Right. This immediate penis enlargement. Well, that's quite direct. Legal casino. All right, so that's casino. U.S. furniture. That's interesting. Preview loading. What has happened? Oh, it's just loading. I thought it was going to load the lander, but it's just loading the picture. What is this? So now the fish bite all day. All right, so probably some kind of fishing equipment. Because that's quite interesting that somebody would run that on push. I wouldn't expect it. I usually see a lot of dating, a lot of push, adult, casino, because this is casino again, I would say. Payments guaranteed by the state. Yep. What's this? These are some interesting images when you look at them. My Ether wallet. So there must be some Bitcoin related stuff. What's this? All right, so these are all quite new, right? You see 3 hits 1 day. I want to see which received the most traffic. There we go. Back to the sweeps and back to the dating. So this is dating, or this is actually a game. What do we do? Can we just click on this? Oh yeah, all right. Then it opens up. So this runs in, whoa, this is interesting. A lot of countries, connections, device types, the different lenders that they use. Whoa. All right. And then so they started testing here, then they scaled, then they tried something else, and then they really brought in the money here. Weak trends. So yeah, and interesting. Man, they have a lot of fucking data here. Right, top 10 publishers by volume. This is obviously very, very interesting to see. By duration, like it's all kind of the same. Mostly run on propeller ads, but also on different traffic sources. All right, let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, so it's for a game. It looks like the League of Angels 3 game install. Redirect chain. All right, so that is interesting. Very addictive game. Don't tell your wife about this game. All right, so the teaser is not really related because it kind of shows like a fantasy kind of thing. Kind of. Outgoing URLs. Yeah, all right, looks good. Very, very interesting. One message received. Well, this I don't think you're able to run anymore on propeller ads. Check the best game of the, so they use the Game of Thrones angle. Let's check that one out. All right, lots of countries, mainly tier 2, 3 maybe. Yeah, there's some tier 1 here. Again, mostly run on propeller ads. You often see that they have the most volume right now on what's available. All right, let me, how did it look for the example? This one, yeah? Yeah. So what does this say? Create a new account, the lender. Maybe there's a background image, but it doesn't load. Let's see the top one. Oh, it has the same. Oh, you can even download this landing page and more ads by this advertiser. Whoa, it's powerful stuff, man. Like, as you guys know, I'm not really that big on, whoa, they run a lot of shit. I'm not really that big on spy tools. I've never been, because we run a lot of the offers that we do. We have a very creative team behind it, but that's why I think it's funny to see what other people are doing, because they're using tons of variations. They're all doing, like, it's all app installs, right? Very, very interesting. So for them, their best ads, oh, where am I going? I want to click here and then receive the most traffic. Just to see, yeah, so this is their ad as well. So the top 2, or in the top 5 of the, or maybe it was here, yeah. So this ad is from them and this ad too, which is quite interesting. So they're doing a good job. Like this one, like it's all Game of Thrones themed, apparently. As you see, well, like 90% of their success comes from the Game of Thrones ones. You can see how much testing actually goes into making a successful campaign. It's quite significant looking at these ads. So there's probably, well, maybe I don't know how many, but a lot of ads here, and it's all being tracked by this domain, which is, and they probably, yeah, look, they have more domains as well. You see, so on the other domains, there could be more ads. Very interesting. I like that we're able to look that far through spy tools. So this is some, even this girl earns, well, this looks kind of like adult, so I'm not going to open that. Dating, maybe, U1. Special offers, McDonald's. Interesting that McDonald's gets so many clicks. Join the green card lottery. The crazy angles people come up with is hilarious. I really like it. But yeah, you can see a lot of things about money, a lot of things about girls and sex, a lot of things about winning the sweepstake game. The games again, World of Tanks, you see it all around. Yeah, really, really interesting. This is Latvian Casino. Yeah, cool. So that's basically how you browse it, how you look for it. But what would happen if you go by advertiser? What do we get then? So what did just change? By publisher. Enter publisher's name. Is there a drop down? No, because it's still in beta, right? So there might not be like full features just yet. Favorites, no favorites. All right. So let's just do apply filter to see what we get. Keyword on landing page, win. Oh, I just hit the camera, the microphone. Let's do win. All right, see, message from PayPal. You have one pending payment. Where would that go to? That sounds crazy scammy. It only runs in Canada and only one lander. It's just the sweepstakes thing. Oh, I don't think this angle works really well. It's already a newest. I want to see the best ones. Usually the best ones are the ones who receive the most traffic, right? So U1, the Apple thing, message received. I want to tell you more about easy money. All right, what is that about? Yeah, it's about Forex. Nice fake Facebook comments. Interesting. So they have like kind of advertorial lander, but it seems it's been running for a little bit. Not too interesting, but I mean it got 1100 hits. Saying it comes from a tier 3 country, maybe not that interesting, but so here again, a lot of casino, Bitcoin, casino. Like there's a very big pattern where in other spy tools we saw a lot of Nutra. Here we see a lot of casino, dating, make money online. Interesting. And that's also what I did win, right? So, but let's say if you just want to see iPhone or in-ad info, win. Look at this. And you would say half of these are casino, half of these are sweepstakes. Sports betting. But yeah, man, you can see like Adplexity is doing a really good job by finding a tremendous amount of ads. Where most spy tools, if you type in win, you'll get maybe up to like 50 sweepstakes. But look at this. This is only with win in the keyword on the ad. If you put that on the lander, you'll get a huge list. And that's obviously like the Adplexity company. They have lots of different spy tools. They have experience with this. They have the money to deliver like a premium product. And I would say take advantage of this while it's free, because probably as soon as this is not free, looking at the features and stuff, it will probably come down to probably 100, 200 a month, like all their other products. And right now it's free. You'll get a ton of inspiration. You will be able to play around with this for free. If you are interested, check them out. Adplexity Push is what it's called, and you can sign up for free right now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.